Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by ensuring Windows 11 and HP biometric drivers are current. This prevents recognition errors. Once done, use an administrator account and plug the laptop into power so updates don't interrupt the process. Next, clean the fingerprint sensor with a lint-free cloth. Make sure no moisture remains. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign In Options, and choose Windows Hello Fingerprint. Follow the on-screen prompts to start enrolling your first fingerprint. Slow, even swipes work best to capture full ridges. Now you'll perform the actual enrollment. Follow the Windows Hello prompts and swipe the same finger slowly, varying angle and position so the sensor maps more ridges. This improves reliability. Register at least 2 different fingers, your index and alternate finger, for faster access and a fallback. Make sure you already set a secure PIN because Windows requires it as a backup. Once the system confirms enrollment for each finger, test immediate sign-in. If recognition is inconsistent, re-enroll that finger with slightly different angles. Finish by restarting the laptop and testing fingerprint sign-in at the lock screen. Make sure the option is enabled in sign-in options. If it fails, update or reinstall the HP biometric driver via Device Manager and run HP Support Assistant to apply firmware fixes. Once done, re-enroll fingerprints if recognition remains spotty. Sometimes deleting all fingerprints and starting fresh resolves misreads. One key troubleshooting tip. If fingerprints suddenly stop working, check group policy or Windows Update history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.